Namaskar, friends. As you explore subjects of your choice this academic session, I would like to give you a quick view of what would be your learning under the course titled Hindi for Beginners at the University of Iceland. This course is basically at two progressive levels, with the primary objective being to put across a very user-friendly yet structured content for basic communication in Hindi language. This learning shall not just familiarize you with India, but would also make you a learner of the world's third most spoken language, and in terms of the largest number of native speakers, one of the top 10 languages of the world. In fact, very recently, in its 76th session, the United Nations has adopted Hindi as one of the medium for disseminating information. So welcome to multilingualism and add another language to your necklace of communication. The structured details are of course mentioned on the university website, but I would like to keep you informed that during this journey of learning Hindi for beginners, we shall be using Roman transcription as you can see on the screen, along with Devanagari, which is the script for Hindi. We shall begin with vowels, which are called swar in Hindi, and then move on to consonants, which are called vyanjan, which I must tell you are very systematically placed according to the place of articulation of your tongue from the back of the mouth to the front. Thereafter, we shall move to semivowels, fricatives, etc. Learning at every stage will be accompanied, I assure and promise, by practice worksheets, audio visuals, and role playing to maximize participation and absorption. As we progress through our timelines during the course, we shall not just be able to identify, understand, and read in Hindi, but also get comfortable with greetings and basic conversation in the language. So come and join me on a linguistic trip to the Hindi speaking world. Namaste. Thank you. Dhanyavad.